Hello friends! In the previous video, I showed you how to make a top. Now how the border of this top is made. Let's start. First of all, single crochet has to be made from the chain. Then 4 chains have to be made on its side. And on top of that, single crochet has to be made from the same chain. This process has to be done in all the chains so that the finishing border of the top will be made. Save you! Follow for more textile design learning in Devsha Textile.